Hi, this is Lauren again. We will now look at the third part of the DIAMONT database, which is a collection of examples of land management instruments. The collection of instruments presented in the database provides an overview of the many existing possibilities on how to handle land management in the Alps. I will show you how to find more examples in the database. We will just do the same as in the previous chapter, entering www.diamont-database.eu in your browser, and this will take you to the site of the DIAMONT project. I will take you through a search so that you can do your own searches afterwards. Let's start by looking into all Italian land management instruments stored in the DIAMONT database. Choose IT from the country drop-down menu. Leave all other options set on all. Click Search while leaving the option Show Document List ticked. The result you get is a list of 26 examples of Italian land management instruments. For each instrument, you can organize its categorization into type, subtype, and spatial level. Before we look at the information we get when clicking the links of each instrument, I want to show you more search options. Go back to the search screen. If you know a bit more precisely what you're looking for, the option to choose the type of instrument might be useful for, e.g., choose voluntary approaches and agreements from the drop-down menu, while choosing Germany for the country. The result is a list of 8 examples of such approaches in the German Alps. I discovered a useful option regarding the display of results. Click Show Best Practice Overview on the right side of the search button. Let's do this for Austria and economic instruments as the type of instruments we are interested in. Our search produces a pop-up window. In this case, the business park of Aldrans, Sistrans, Lands is a best practice example of the Building Land Acquisition Fund in Austria. The link takes you to a fact sheet of the Building Land Acquisition Fund, where you find more information about the fund and about best practice examples. The DIAMONT collection of instruments of land use management in the Alps is unique. Nowhere else will you find them presented in one place. I do encourage you to take the time to look into the DIAMONT database and play around until you find what you're looking for.